Hello everybody and welcome to a macrame trial, I guess. I've never done macrame before in my life. This is actually a kit that was sent to me through Cozy Club Crafting Community. They do monthly subscription boxes where they send you craft kits so you can try out new crafts that you don't necessarily know or have tried before. This is a brand new craft to me. And this is the kit that was sent to me. I have already unboxed it because I have no idea what I'm doing, so I wanted to have a quick flick through of the instructions first before I started filming. And there's a couple of things extra that I needed to get prepared. So I needed, for example, a plant pot, because this is going to be a plant hanger, scissors, ruler, that sort of thing. So these are just some wooden balls, a wooden ring and an S-hook that came with the kit, the instructions and the actual macrame cord itself. So having had a quick flick through of what I need to do with the instructions, just make sure everything was there, I need to prepare the cord. So let me just cut open the cord so I can find the end. And just remove the excess there. And thus, through the magical power of editing, all our cord lengths are cut and our extras are unwrapped. So the next step to do is to get the long cords through the wooden ring, and so they are equal in length. So I'm just going to move the stuff I don't need out of the way for now, those wooden beads, which want to roll off the table extremely easily, and I can put the S-hook to one side for now. So to start with, we're going to thread through the 8 4-meter cords. I'm just going to start by doing that, and then I can even them up. So I'm going to carry on doing this, and I shall be back when they're all threaded. I have my lengths cut, and I have threaded them through my little wooden hoop. So the next step to do then is I'm just going to make sure that these lie neatly inside the hoop. And then I need to do a wrap knot around that to secure it. So first thing to do is make sure that my cords lie flat. Okay, so I've secured it to the table, and I've got my cords split up into 4 sections, and I'm going to be doing a square knot. We're going to start with this one. So to do a square knot, you have 2 filler cords, which are the sections, an outer cord and an outer cord. So bend one cord over filler cords and under cord 2. So this one goes over the 2 and then under that outside one. And then the loop. And then this one goes under the 2 middle ones and then through that loop we've just made. Pull those 2 cords gently. And then now repeat but reverse the crossings. So that one first. No. Now repeat to that one. So that one goes round under. Yes, so reverse the crossings. So that one goes over those two and under that one. That one goes under those two and out that one. And then pull the cords to tighten the knot. Alright, so now I know what I'm doing with that one. So we'll repeat that 5 times on this group. Okay, so that is the first lot done. I'm now going to repeat that on all of these 4. So I should be back when I've finished those. Okay, so typically my camera cut out, but I finished off the square knots at the top, and then I've just started to do the spiral knots down here. So I'm going to carry on doing those on this one. This is actually quite easy to do. And I'm just going to get my ruler so I can measure out the distance that I need to leave. So I need to leave about 8 centimeters, so I'm starting the next knot about here. So I'm just going to bend that over. Nope, that goes over there. So I'm going to start it around about there. Of course, it doesn't have to be exact, but there we go. So I'm starting that knot round about there. I think I'll just double measure that. Yeah, it's a bit low. Let's just move that up a bit to about there. Just pull those tight so it doesn't move. Right. This knot I'm doing is the spiral knot. So I just need to pull that tight. There we go. And that's the first knot there. So to do the spiral knot, it is over 2, under the outer one, and then the outer one under, all and through that loop there. Pull that tight. Repeat that exactly the same. Okay, so that is the spiral knot done. So now I need to leave another 8 centimeters and tie another square knot. So that was over 2, under 1, that one under, and through. That one, I'm trying to work this one out. And reverse the crossover, so over 2, under 1. Over 2, 1, that's through that one there. Repeat that, repeating 5 times. Okay, so I've put all the macrame that I've done into the pot. This is going to make it easier, I think, to do this next section, which is tying square knots roughly about halfway down the pot. And there should be 4, because I'm tying all of the knots together, the bits together here. So I'm going to tie this one here. Alright, and the last step now is just to bring it all down here. Try and get it so it's all centered. And then simply tie a knot just a wrap knot I did at the beginning, and I'm just going to do this loosely so that when I hang it up I can adjust it. Pull bits that are too short or too long the correct way. And all this excess I'm just going to trim to about there, and then get rid of all this, and just get rid of all this extra. And there I have my finished hanging macrame pot. So I'm going to hang this up. I'll show you how it looks like.